स्वागत है आप सबका आज इस नई वीडियो में। तो आज हम लोग देखेंगे एसएससी एमटीएस हवलदार 2024 के लिए कुछ महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चंस पॉलिटी से। तो ये टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस हैं पॉलिटी के। आगे मैं दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स के टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज़ बनाऊंगा। तो अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए, और घंटे का बटन नहीं दबाया है तो दबा दीजिए। तो आइए देखते हैं पहला क्वेश्चन। हु वाज द चेयरमैन ऑफ द ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? तो ऑप्शन ए है डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, ऑप्शन बी जवाहरलाल नेहरू, ऑप्शन सी बी आर अम्बेडकर, ऑप्शन डी सरदार पटेल। तो ये क्वेश्चन का जवाब है बी आर अम्बेडकर। अब एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर वाज द chairman of drafting committee and played a key role in framing of Indian Constitution। आइए अगला सवाल देखते हैं। तो ये जो सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो मैं करा रहा हूँ ये मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस हैं। आइए क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। हाउ मैनी पार्ट्स वेयर देयर इन ओरिजिनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए 22, ऑप्शन बी 24, ऑप्शन सी 18, ऑप्शन डी 26। So the correct answer is option A 22. The original Constitution of India was divided into 22 parts. After various amendments, there are now 25 parts. आइए अब आगे देखते हैं। Which part of Indian Constitution deals with directive principles of policy? तो इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन बी Part 4. The directive principles of state policy are enshrined in Part 4 of Constitution from Article 36 to 51. आइए अब आगे देखते हैं। The fundamental duties are incorporated under which article of the Indian Constitution? तो इसका जवाब है आर्टिकल 51A। Fundamental duties were added by 42 Amendment Act of 1976 and are listed under Article 51A. अगला, who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Option A Prime Minister, Option B President of India, Option C Parliament, Option D Supreme Court of India। तो इसका जवाब है the President of India. The Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by the President of India under आर्टिकल 324। आइए अब आगे देखते हैं। विच आर्टिकल ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइड्स द राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडीज? तो इसका जवाब है आर्टिकल 32। आर्टिकल 32 गिव्स इंडिविजुअल्स द राइट टू मूव द सुप्रीम कोर्ट फॉर द इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफ देयर फंडामेंटल राइट्स। आइए आगे देखते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ फीचर ऑफ इंडियन फेडरल सिस्टम? तो इसका जवाब है सिंगल सिटीजनशिप, इंडिपेंडेंट जुडिशरी और रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। तो इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब होगा ऑल द अबव। इंडिया हैज़ अ रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ए सिंगल सिटीजनशिप पॉलिसी एंड एन इंडिपेंडेंट जुडिशरी, ऑल की फीचर्स ऑफ इट्स फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर। आइए अब अगला देखते हैं। विच अमेंडमेंट ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज कॉल्ड मिनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? तो इसका जवाब है 42 amendment। The 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 introduced major changes to Constitution, earning it the title Mini Constitution। आइए अगला सवाल देखते हैं। What is the minimum age required to become Prime Minister of India? So the answer is 25 years. The minimum age to become Prime Minister is 25 years, as it is the same as the minimum age to contest लोक सभा elections। आइए आगे देखते हैं। Which of the following is the largest union territory of India by area? The answer is Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar is the largest union territory of India by area. Under which article can the President of India declare a national emergency? So the answer is Article 352। तो इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब है आर्टिकल 352। A national emergency can be declared by President of India under Article 352 in case of war, external aggression or armed rebellion. आइए अब आगे देखते हैं. Who has the authority to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Options are the Prime Minister, the President, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of India. So the answer is the President. The President of India has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha on advice of Council of Ministers. आइए आगे देखते हैं. What does the term bicameral legislature refer to? So इसका मीनिंग है two houses of parliament. A bicameral legislature means a legislature with two houses, typically an upper house Rajya Sabha and lower house Lok Sabha. आइए अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. The idea of concurrent list in Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? Option A USA, option B Australia, option C Canada, option D Ireland. So the answer is Australia. The concurrent list concept where both center and state can legislate is borrowed from Australian Constitution. आइए अब अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which part of Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? तो इसका जवाब है पार्ट 3. Part 3 of the Indian Constitution from Articles 12 to 35 deals with fundamental rights. आइए आगे देखते हैं. Who is the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces in India? So the answer is the President of India. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces. आइए आगे देखते हैं. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? So the answer is Article 17 of Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability and prohibits its practice in any form. आइए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which body is responsible for the election of Vice President of India? So the answer is the Electoral College. The Vice President is elected by an electoral college consisting of members of both houses of Parliament. आइए अगला सवाल देखते हैं. Which schedule of Indian Constitution contains the list of languages? So the answer is 8th schedule. The 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution contains a list of recognized languages. आइए अगला सवाल देखते हैं. What is the maximum gap allowed between two sessions of Parliament? The answer is 6 months. According to Constitution, there should be not a gap of more than 6 months between two sessions of Parliament. आइए अगला सवाल देखते हैं. Which constitutional amendment made the right to education a fundamental right? The answer is 86th Amendment. The 86th Amendment enacted in 2002 made education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14 years under Article 21A. आइए अगला सवाल देखते हैं. What is the tenure of Rajya Sabha members? The answer is 6 years. Each member of Rajya Sabha serves a term of 6 years and 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years. आइए अगला सवाल देखते हैं. Which article of Indian Constitution states that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to children? The answer is Article 21A. Article 21A mandates that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children aged 6 to 14 years. आइए अगला सवाल देखते हैं. Which article empowers the president to appoint the prime minister? The answer is Article 75. Article 75 states that the President shall appoint the Prime Minister and other ministers on advice of the Prime Minister. आइए अगला सवाल देखें. Which constitutional body is responsible for the preparation of electoral rolls? So the answer is Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India is responsible for free and fair elections and prepares the electoral rolls for Lok Sabha and State Assembly elections. आइए आगे देखते हैं. Which of the following is a feature of parliamentary system of government? तो यहाँ चार ऑप्शन है. सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स, कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, फिक्स्ड टेन्यूर, presidential leadership. The answer is collective responsibility. In a parliamentary system, the council of ministers is collectively responsible to Lok Sabha. आइए आगे देखते हैं. Who can be the members of the Rajya Sabha? The answer is both elected and nominated members. The Rajya Sabha consists of 238 elected members and 12 nominated members by president. अगला सवाल देखते हैं. Which of the following article empowers the parliament to make laws for state list in the national interest? The answer is Article 249. Article 249 allows parliament to legislate on matters in state list if it is necessary in the national interest. आइए आगे देखते हैं. Which body conducts the examination for civil services in India? तो ये तो बहुत ही important question है. The answer is the Union Public Service Commission is responsible for conducting civil services examination in India. आइए आगे देखते हैं. Which of the following article grants the president the power to declare state of emergency? So the answer is all the above. The president can declare different type of emergencies under Article 352 national emergency, 356 state emergency, 360 financial emergency. आइए आगे देखते हैं. What is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha? The answer is 552. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha can be 552 members, which include 530 members from state and 20 from union territories. अगला. Which article empowers the president to make rules for the conduct of business of the government? The answer is Article 77. अगला. Which part of the constitution contains the provisions related to union and its territory? The answer is Part 1. Part 1 of constitution deals with union and its territory including Article 1 to 4. अगला. The concept of equality before law is enshrined in which article? The answer is Article 14. Article 14 states that the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or equal protection of the laws. अगला. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? तो इसका जवाब है द स्पीकर ऑफ द लोक सभा. द स्पीकर ऑफ द लोक सभा हैज़ द अथॉरिटी टू डिसाइड वेदर अ बिल इज अ मनी बिल. आइए आगे देखते हैं. विच आर्टिकल प्रोटेक्ट्स द राइट टू लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी? द आंसर इज आर्टिकल 21. Article 21 guarantees the right to life and personal liberty, stating that no person shall be deprived of these except according to procedure established by law. आइए आगे देखते हैं. Which article deals with the right to freedom of speech and expression? The answer is Article 19(1)(a) provides the right to freedom of speech and expression as a fundamental right. आइए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए ग्राउंड फॉर इम्पोजिशन ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट रूल इन स्टेट? सो द आंसर इज डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इज नॉट अ ग्राउंड फॉर प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल. इट मे लीड टू इलेक्शंस इंस्टेड. अगला सवाल. व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर फॉर रिमूवल ऑफ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया? सो द आंसर इज बाय द पार्लियामेंट. द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट can be removed by a process similar to that of president's impeachment, requiring a 2/3 majority in both houses of parliament. अगर आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लग रहा है तो इसको लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा. आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which article in Constitution allows for appointment of Finance Commission? So the answer is Article 280. Article 280 mandates the establishment of Finance Commission to review the financial position of states. अगला देखते हैं. The power to grant pardons is vested in which authority? So the answer is the President. Article 72 gives the President the power to grant pardons, reprieves, respites or remissions of punishment. आइए आगे देखते हैं. Which constitutional amendment act is known for introduction of 73rd and 74th amendments providing for Panchayati Raj and urban local self-governments? So the answer is 73rd and 74th. The 73rd Amendment 1992 provided for establishment of Panchayati Raj system, while 74th Amendment related to urban local bodies. Which article of Constitution provides for establishment of a district planning committee? So इसका जवाब है Article 243ZD mandates the establishment of district planning committee to prepare a draft development plan for the district. आइए आगे देखते हैं. The Constitution of India recognizes how many languages in the 8th schedule? The answer is 22. The 8th schedule of the Constitution recognizes 22 languages which include Hindi, Bengali, Telugu and others. आगे देखते हैं. Which article of Constitution provides for the right to form associations or unions? The answer is Article 19(1)(c). Article 19(1)(c) guarantees the right to form association or union as part of the right to freedom. अगला. Which constitutional authority has the power to appoint the governor of a state? The answer is the President. The President of India appoints the governors of state under Article 153. What is the minimum age for a candidate to contest for Rajya Sabha? The answer is 30 years. The minimum age to contest for Rajya Sabha is 30 years as per Article 80 of the Constitution. The right to information is guaranteed under which article of Constitution? So the answer is Article 19(1)(a). The right to information is derived from the right to freedom of speech and expression under Article 19(1)(a). Agla. Which article deals with the reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies? So the answer is all the above. Article 330, 331, 332 deals with reservation of seats for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies. तो ये थे टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस पॉलिटी के जो कि मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस हैं. तो आप लोग भी कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि कितने क्वेश्चंस आप पहले से जानते थे. अगर आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लगा है तो इसको लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी होगी. तो आप लोग ये वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉप 50 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन सीरीज़ में. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.